Import students from a spreadsheet. Tap on the plus button on the bottom right and select Manage Students, and then tap again on the plus button and select Spreadsheet. I'm now going to switch to a Google Sheet, but you can use any spreadsheet. You would like your data in columns, and go ahead and highlight the data that you want, but do not include the column header, and then select Edit Copy or Control-C to copy the data. Then return back to the spreadsheet, the app. And here you'll tap on Load Data near the top. Select Data from Clipboard. And the data will appear in the app here. The next thing to do is assign a header to each of the data columns. That way in the spreadsheet it's not important which order you have it in. I have a first name, a last name, an ID, and then an email and a phone. You can see from the list here that there's quite a lot of other data you can choose to import. And you can ignore any headers if your data has any headers that the app doesn't use. Now you'll select Import Students on the right, and you have a choice here. You can import them to the master list in the app, and then from the app you can assign them to a class. Or if this is one class, you can go ahead and assign it to a class right away. And it's almost easier if you have big classes to have separate class lists to import one at a time. So I'm going to choose class 1 here. And now we'll appear back in the Manage Student list, where you can see the master list on the left, and the 3 students are also here on the right side in class 1. Again, if you didn't assign them to a class, I'll switch here and go to class 2. You'll see the master list on the left there, and you can go ahead and just tap an arrow to assign a student to a class. You can also tap on the information to remove a student from a class, copy to a new class, or edit their info. So there you have an easy way to import students into the app. Thank you.